Hello, welcome to Cat's Love. Today I'm talking about heterochromia, or why cats can have separate colored eyes. So let's just get right into it and talk about what exactly heterochromia is. Heterochromia, also known as odd eyes, is when a cat has two separately colored eyes, usually with a base color of blue and orange or blue and green, but it can be either. Usually one is blue. But how do cats genetically have it? Heterochromia is usually found in cats with white fur. Whether they are completely white or just calico, as long as they have a trace of white on them, heterochromia is more possible. This is because the gene that produces the white fur prevents melanin from reaching the other eye during development. Melanin being the pigment which basically colors the cat's fur, skin, eyes, and everything, making the eye colors different, leaving one eye colored and the other eye usually blue, due to the lack of melanin. Also, if a cat were to have heterochromia, you wouldn't notice it when they are a kitten, as all kittens are born with blue eyes, and they will slowly change color as they grow. So you will start to see the color changing in one eye, but not the other. Also, injury, disease, and medication can lead to heterochromia, as well as old age. Also, there is a type of heterochromia called sectoral heterochromia, which can lead to a cat having two separate colors in one singular eye, which is caused from the same thing, melanin not being able to reach the other side, but this time of the iris. Now, can heterochromia affect their vision? Well, luckily no, unless it's from acquired heterochromia, which means it's from injury, disease, old age, etc., medication. Heterochromia really only affects the visual appearance of a cat rather than their actual physical. So luckily it's just something that makes your cat even more unique and it doesn't really affect their vision. But does heterochromia only come in a certain breed? Well, we know it primarily comes in a certain color, white, but does it come in a certain breed? Well, not really. It's more commonly found in some specific breeds, but it can be found in all breeds. It's more commonly found in Turkish Vans, Turkish Angoras, Sphinx cats, Persian cats, Japanese bobtails, and cow mannies. So then, do cats that have heterochromia have any specific traits compared to other cats that don't have heterochromia? Well, yes, deafness. For some reason, cats that have heterochromia are sometimes deaf, especially deaf on the same side the blue eye is on. Deafness is prominent in white cats in general, but for some odd reason, when cats with heterochromia mix with cats that have white fur, it's more likely for that cat to be deaf. Probably because the white gene can cause the cochlea, which is a snail-like structure that helps enable the cat's hearing by sending vibrations to the brain, to degenerate, causing deafness. But that's not from heterochromia specifically, it's more of a coincidence, as white cats in general are more likely to be deaf. White cats that have two blue eyes are more likely to be deaf on the side that has the blue eyes, so both ears could be deaf. It's not really known why, but I'm sure it just, mutations and genes and everything like that combine and they don't work together, so it leads to deafness. Cats that have heterochromia but don't have white fur are more likely to not be deaf. But anyway, how rare is it? Well, in general, 1 in 1,000 cats have some sort of heterochromia. Having complete heterochromia, which means that it's complete color difference in the separate eyes, is even rarer. Also, when you do take a picture of these very fascinating kitties, you will notice something different, specifically with the flash on. So usually when you take a picture of a cat with the flash on, you will see their eyes glowing a yellowish to green color. That's because they have this reflective layer in their eye called the tapetum lucidum. It helps them see in the dark. I covered it all in the recent video if cats can see in the dark or not. But cats that have heterochromia, if you take a picture with the flash on, you will notice that the blue eye actually has a red glow to it instead of the normal green glow. This is also because of the lack of melanin. So really the key factor for this entire video is just melanin. And always remember, cats that do have heterochromia shouldn't be treated differently than cats who don't. It's more of an appearance thing, but of course get them checked at the vet in case they do go deaf or something like that so you can prepare for it. The only difference is just a visual appearance and maybe a little bit of deafness. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode because I'm talking about the cat who had a readable QR code on their coat. It's something I've been wanting to talk about for a very long time. Anyways, this has been Cat's Love. Thanks for watching.